In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your HP laptop using the keyboard. This method is super easy and works the exact same way on pretty much any Windows laptop. However, before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard to open up the Start menu. And from here, you're going to want to use the arrow keys as well as the Tab key to navigate to the power button. You're going to have to use the Tab key specifically to navigate onto this section, and once you are at the bottom, use the arrow key to go over to the power button and hit enter to take you to a page that looks like this. And from here, you're going to see a restart button or an update and restart button. Go ahead and select one of these two options. Now, for whatever reason the power option isn't showing up, there is another way. You're going to want to hit Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard. And this part's not going to show up on the screen recording because it just makes the screen black, but you're going to see an option for all those power keys. Just use the Tab key and the arrow keys to go down to the power icon. Just go down, hit enter, and then select restart and press enter again, and you'll be good to go. Now, if your HP laptop is completely frozen or unresponsive, you are going to need to do a hard restart. To do this, just locate the physical power button on your laptop and just press and hold it for about 15 seconds. The screen's going to go black, which means the laptop has officially shut down. And once it is fully powered off, just wait about a minute and then press the power button again to turn the laptop back on. That is it. That is how you can restart your HP laptop using just the keyboard. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.